Hi. Yeah. Hi, we're back at this place. Again, it was a big waterfall. We're with these people. Yeah. So, yeah, we're gonna see when we see some stuff behind these bushes, but like really far away down. You can kind of see. Yeah. Don't want to fall down there. We're pretty. It's not that high. It's not that high of a drop anymore, but it's still. So, and there's no railing, so it's not. So if you fall, it's not bad. You're not gonna get hurt or anything. Just gonna get some like scrapes or something. We're almost at the waterfall. That's gonna be fun. We're going downstairs. We're gonna cross this bridge. Water down there. Yeah, about to go upstairs. We're going up a bunch of more stairs. Yeah, it might take a while. We'll see when we finish. We're finally up here. There's no railing. It's a really far down drop. And you can kind of climb up here if you want, but I don't think
not that particular one. There's
you
more
can.
up ahead.
Yeah,
this
there's
perfect to climb.
So the other ones, but there's less like stuff in
yeah.
the
You could
way
probably climb it, but
in the other ones, and there's less rock in the other ones too.
it's the area to walk is getting thinner, but we're over here now, so it's fine. But there's still a pretty far drop down. We're finally going down. That's fun. We've been here for a little while. I couldn't record the car because we're really long.
Oh, Sam!
Yeah, and look at this. You can fall down easily and no, break a bunch of bones. See, there's another thing that you can climb up.
Perfect.
So kind of like stairs, but with branches. That's pretty cool.
Look at that. He just climbed the whole thing. Let's see him fall down. Let's get the awesome fail.
Don't fall.
Yo, do you mean do fall?
And then like a sweater, so. Hi. Because I don't want to like get caught in a bunch of spider webs because.
I want to see him fall though.
Let's go.
Sam, I'm gonna be your cameraman for the rest of this.
Don't let the battery die.
Try.
Is it red?
No.
Oh, my channel.
Huh?
Nothing.
Hey, Sam.
You should look down there. Oh, I'm gonna climb up this.
Sam, look.
You're like just. I'm like, oh. Yeah, exactly. It's nice walking up there.
My shot of me falling down.
Yep.
I love the way the
Remember that cave?
roots.
Let's try to climb up that clay.
Cave?
Yeah.
If you could say it, we can go.
Cave. Ah, it's a bee.
Watch where you're walking, Jordan.
Oh, yeah. Well, I guess I could. Hey! I almost tripped.
Wait on the same
Okay.
ground.
No.
It likes your yellow shirt. Ethan, do not walk towards the edge.
Well, I don't like bees.
Just don't freak out. The bees don't attack you.
It's hard not to
I
freak
never
out.
got stung and I never.
Same.
Want to?
I have.
Where?
I don't remember. Aunt Carrie got stung in the head before.
Oh, let's try to climb this.
Buddy growing up. Yeah. And Bonnie.
Yo, Sam, I'm gonna get a shot of you climbing up in the number.
Are you do it?
Yeah, climb up.
We had a beehive in
We should all go up there. You want to walk up there?
Yeah.
Ew.
Oh my god. It's hard doing this without any hands.